Hello. Academic writing. What is academic writing? Developing your writing capabilities is an important part of your study at university. You need to understand the different types of academic writing you are required to use and how to plan and structure your work and appropriately acknowledge your references. Stages of academic writing. Academic writing is a process, not a product. It's always possible to review and revise again and again. There are four main stages in the writing process: pre writing, planning, writing and revising drafts, writing the final copy to hand in. Academic writing is generally quite formal, objective, impersonal, and technical. It is formal by avoiding casual or conversational language, such as contractions or informal vocabulary. An overview of academic writing. Types of academic writing: planning your writing, structuring written work, grammar, spelling, and vocabulary, editing and proofreading, evidence, plagiarism and referencing, resources and support. Types of academic writing. Four main types of academic writing are descriptive, analytical, persuasive, and critical. Each of these types of writing has specific language features and purposes. Descriptive. The simplest type of academic writing is descriptive. Its purpose is to provide facts or information. An example would be a summary of an article or a report of the results of an experiment. The kinds of instructions for a purely descriptive assignment include identity, report record, summarize, and define. Analytical. Sometimes these categories or relationships are already part of the discipline, while in other cases you will create them specifically for your text. If you are comparing two theories, you might break your comparison into several parts. For example, how each theory deals with social context, how each category deals with language learning, and how each theory can be used in practice. More about analytical. The kinds of instructions for an analytical assignment include analysis, compare, contrast, relate, and examine. To make your writing more analytical, spend plenty of time planning, brainstorm the facts and ideas, and try different ways of grouping them according to patterns, parts, similarities, and differences. You could use color coding, flowcharts, tree diagrams, or tables. Create a name for relationships and categories you find, for example, advantages and disadvantages. Build each section and paragraph around one of the analytical categories. Make the structure of your paper clear to your reader by using topic sentences and a clear introduction. Persuasive. Persuasive writing has all the features of analytical writing, that is, information plus reorganizing the information with the addition of your own point of view. Most essays are persuasive, and there is a persuasive element in at least the discussion and conclusion of a research article. Point of view in academic writing can include an argument, recommendation, interpretation of findings, or evaluation of the work of others. The kinds of instructions for a persuasive assignment include argue, evaluate, discuss, and take a position. Critical. Critical writing is common for research, postgraduate, and advanced undergraduate writing. For example, You may explain a researcher's interpretation or argument and then evaluate the merits of the argument or give your own alternative interpretation. Examples of critical writing assignments include a critique of a journal article or a literature review and defines the strengths and weaknesses of existing research. The kinds of instructions for critical writing include critique, debate, disagree, and evaluate. Formal language. You can make your writing more formal through the vocabulary that you use. For academic writing, choose formal instead of informal vocabulary. Avoid contractions. Avoid emotional language. Thank you. All the best.